Mastering the phrase, making provisions, a guide to practical English. Hello, wonderful learners. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, making provisions. This term pops up in various contexts, and understanding it can really polish your English skills. So, let's dive in and unravel the layers of meaning behind making provisions. Making provisions involves planning ahead and preparing for future needs or events. It's like packing an umbrella for a trip when the weather forecast says it might rain. This phrase often appears in both personal contexts, like planning a family vacation, and professional settings, such as budgeting and business. Imagine you're going on a camping trip. Making provisions might mean packing enough food, water, and first aid supplies. In a business scenario, it could involve setting aside funds for potential future expenses, like repairs or upgrades. This phrase embodies the idea of being proactive and ready for what's ahead. 1. The family made provisions for their road trip, ensuring they had snacks, games, and a spare tire. 2. The company made provisions for the upcoming fiscal year, allocating budget for potential market changes. Notice how making provisions isn't just about physical items but also about planning and foresight. And that's a wrap on making provisions. It's all about preparing and planning ahead. I hope this video has equipped you with a clearer understanding and the confidence to use this phrase in your daily life. Keep practicing, and you'll be mastering the nuances of the English language in no time.